Hi everyone. This is Shangit here. So as promised, one video on each weekend. Just trying to build a website, or maybe call it a redesign website that my friend has. So this is for the clinic. Let me just quickly open the website. So my friend recently started a clinic, and then she's running this dental clinic in Motherwell. So if you're around Motherwell, do visit her clinic, and she does a very good job. Uh, Even I recently had scaling done, and had a small stain on my teeth, and then was just instantly gone at a very low cost. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of redesign this whole website. Probably I'm just thinking of making it to look like a very cool website, but I don't know how much I can. I did watch a lot of social media content, to be honest, and got to know that there were a lot of ways to uh, build a cool website out there, probably with 3D stuff in it. So what I'm going to use is, and I'll be using anti-gravity today, and so this is the only AI subscription that I have at my access, and then there is also a few other things that I did explore, some reels from internet from some friends, and so let's see. So one is I think anti-gravity you all know. Let's get and look at what is framer motion. Even I'm very new to this. So looks like they help you create a production grade animation for the web. Interesting. So they have a lot of independent transformations, and then I think this is in dragging. I don't know how this all is going to be integrated, but let's see. So there's also this UI UX Pro Max skill. So this is also a recent thing that I got to know. So this basically helps you build a beautiful website. Okay, interesting. So this Promax skill has a set of workflows, so it just doesn't directly allow the LLM to work. Instead, I think it puts it under some reasoning workflows and does some product research, probably, or like searches the design databases and then generates the code for you to get a decent website. So the next thing is 21st.dev. Let's look at what is 21st.dev. So this is also probably a previously a templates website with all templates where you can purchase templates, I believe, and I think now they have gotten into this thing where you can just go. Let's say you want to build this stunning website. I think you can now, let's say, copy prompt, and they'll give you the prompt to basically build the website, I believe, right? This was not the thing that I was looking for. Oh yeah, wow, this looks cool. Okay, there's also this kinetic grid thing. Oh, this is also nice. So let's say you have something that you wanna speak to, or like, oh, I just really like this modern beam panel. Oh, wow, let's just paste this somewhere and see what is the prompt actually that the website gave. Oh my god. Okay, I had another prompt as well. So this is just meddling with that. Let's just quickly see what is. I don't know why the hell this is pixelating. It's not the video quality, guys, no. Okay, interesting. Okay. This has a lot of stuff over here. Okay, okay. Okay, so with respect to assets of the of these folks. I have their logos. So this is their logo and this is the clinic's name. So I'm just gonna dive into, without further ado, I'm just gonna directly dive into anti-gravity and see what's gonna. And yeah, I think for folks who don't know about skills.sh, so this is also another cool website where you can like search for any skill that is out there. Let's say you want to do website design, 3D motion, graphics. There are a lot of skills that you can install on your machine, and then yeah, anti-gravity or any other AI agent would be able to pick this up. Yeah, and there's also this website called Awards. So this just has the coolest. So I never knew this. I got it now from a friend who's working at my company. It's called Santosh. Uh, so look at this website. Isn't that really cool? Like this is like a real object that's like spinning in your. And I clicked on discover. Wow. And there was some kind of stammering that was happening here, but yeah. Wow. Okay, cool. Let's just get into work. Enough of all the inspirations and stuff that was happening. So not only this, I also have a prompt from this person who gave me the this taught me about this website. So he also built a nice website out there. So he took reference from another cool looking website from probably from the AWWW Awards website, I believe. So this is also another 3D thing. So as I move my cursor, there's a lot of interactions that is happening here. To be honest, I have never done this. I am just gonna do it right on this video. So I don't know if our output will be close to what these guys have done, but let's just try our best and see what we can do, right? I know this might all be overkill for a small dental website, but yeah, what's wrong in making things cool if you can, right? The content doesn't go outside of it as well. Consider the amount of work you have to put in if you have to really code this, right? So enough of all the inspirations. Let's get to work directly, right? So I'm just gonna blindly tell anti-gravity. So first we have to clone this repo, right? Clone this repo for me. I'm just gonna tell. I'm gonna ask it to install. Okay, so install these two skills or the CLI tools that are out there. Just install the UI UX Pro thing first, and it's also installing the frame of motion thing. Okay, so let's really see if we want 21st.dev. I really like this colorful thing out there that we just saw, right? This could be a great addition to the whole thing. Okay, so basically create a plan to add this component to some part of the page, maybe at a later point. But yeah, this will be required for the designing of this page. I'm just gonna be very raw on all this. Maybe I'm gonna be feeling so dumb when I'm gonna create this, right? Because I'm just trying to be a very simple person who just wants to randomly create a cool looking website. So it has done some plans, but we don't want it to create all of those immediately. Let's do something else. We also know about this prompt before even giving it to uh, before even giving it to anti-gravity. Let's go to Gemini and then redefine this prompt. Okay, so I'm trying to build a website for a dental clinic. I want you to update this prompt based on that, but keep the reference of the website that's mentioned here. I get a new prompt for our dental page. So I've also added in skills like skills or CLI tools like Framer Motion and UI UX Pro Max skill. So ask the agent to make use of the both if needed. Shall see a listing. Reading the prompt looks promising in some ways. Um, I'm just gonna blindly paste this prompt, not gonna go too deep into it. By the way, I'm an Android developer, so I do have some understanding of all these things and how things work, but not getting too deep into all of this. I think we're good. So this is where we left. Okay, so we now have the plan ready with us. Uh, am I going to really look at the plan? Not really, because I just wanna make sure the app is being properly built. And my friend also needs an interactive form at the end, but let's see what is going to happen here when we hit on proceed. And by the way, I'm using Gemini 3.6 Flash here. This is the most fastest model that I've worked with, to be honest, and the outputs are also pretty good, uh, is what I would say. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So since I've given it all the permissions already, I don't have to kind of sit and see what is happening for each thing here. Mostly these are all JS files, and I believe this not really going to require a actual server. Okay, so I think it built the website, and I think anti-gravity just tried to open it. This is not a dental clinic. I really like the fact that there's like a 3D object that is revolving and stuff. This feels more like an aura or cleansing clinic. I heard this term very recently. Oh, there's also a calming sound. But I don't want this. This is fun. So let's just prompt this again. Oh sorry. So I want a proper dental website, not a wellness clinic website. Can we fix that? You could still use 3D objects, maybe put something like a tooth in the center and then something revolving around that. And let me also provide you the logos for this so that uh, you can decide on the colors and stuff based on the logos. Let's create a proper plan and then do it. uh, I just feel so idiotic now. Maybe I can do better prompts, I don't know, but to be honest, not my forte as well. Like, so it's web, and yeah, it also has to look minimalistic and a little aesthetic, uh, just like the Igloo website that we saw, or maybe take references from Apple websites that are normally there. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen now. It's very skeptical about this 3D tooth, and then it's gonna orbit. See what is it gonna build? Let's see what our website looks like. Okay, this is not a real tooth. Wow, I just like this. This looks nice, actually. But let's fix few things here. Uh, so when I select the text, any text in the page, it gets white, which is wrong, and the 3D tooth looks awful. Instead of that, can we have some other uh, object that's probably 3D object in the center of the screen that moves, or there's another thing as well. Let's go to 21st.dev and let's do this instead. Okay. Uses as the background for the landing page, the starting section, and have the colors matching. Uh, so also one more thing is that the 3D tooth thing can be completely removed. The 3D engine thing can be removed, and the website also has some other bugs as well. As I mentioned, the content, when I select text in the website, the content is just going away, and then the book appointment button is not visible as well. So yeah, let's fix that. I just like a few things here. Okay, I'm just going with proceed for everything that's out there. It is designed by Apple, inspired by domestic question. Okay, so few things to be fixed. We need to have the Google Maps location added to the website, and also yeah, and also it is actually making the changes as we speak. Nice. So what else is could be fixed? Let's fix the links that are here. So every clinical services learn more and consult. We don't have individual pages or uh, dialogues for each clinical service out here. Maybe let's create a interactive dialogue, which or like a explanatory dialogue that shows up when you click on learn more and consult, instead of scrolling to the bottom. So that can summarize more about the service that the user is trying to click on, and then there should also be a book appointment uh, button which opens up the form. Yeah, maybe the when you click on book appointment, the learn more dialog can be closed as well. This is pretty cool, by the way, because as I speak and as I actually try to give it the content, this is just immediately implementing things. I think that's the cool part about uh, Gemini 3.6 Flash model. Every plan that's out there, I'm just gonna hit on implement and then let the AI take over. So so there are these few bugs which I can screenshot and then maybe give it to the agent. Few UI issues that I'm noting here. This 3D tech and safety and all. These details have to be corrected with our doctor. Oh wait, this is her location. Smile 7 Dental Mathura Royal. Can share this. Google Maps link itself. Okay. This contains some UI issues that I noted, and also the map embedding has been added here. Use this instead. So first image, the for F is like a little cut. Maybe change the color of the content to kind of be more visually visible. Let's do that. Oh, I just need the transcript. Sorry, I just hit undo. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the website is back, but I'm seeing a space, unwanted space at the top. Okay, let's ask anti-gravity to fix that. I saw it on the mobile version as well. There's some additional white space at the top, and the 3D object or the background, live background, is not really moving. Can we have some additional motion to the content so that it feels like you don't have to wait for the content to move? It's just very slow. Let's just increase some speed to it. Sure, it's more visual. Not too much speed, not too less. Okay. There's a slight difference in the cards background and the logos background. Let's try to match that so that they both blend in. Okay, now back to this. There's still more white space at the top and bottom now. I think the centerpiece has just moved up a little bit. This is not properly fixed now. So let us fix that. I'm seeing white space at the top and at the bottom as well. Basically, also reduce the speed of the motion, sorry, the moving background a bit. Okay. So one big miss is that I don't see the phone number itself. Right. So we'll have to do that. Okay, so the map location has the phone number. Let's get that. Okay. So this is the phone number of the clinic. Update that. Okay, now it looks a lot better. Okay, increase the speed of the background by probably 10% or maybe 15%. Yeah, with respect to the content, I'll have to still see on what are the things that are here. I just don't like this one. Okay, the learn more and consult button becomes white. Okay, we have everything ready here. I think the form is the only thing that's to be done, and then probably email integration for them that can be done later. But overall, I'm satisfied with the website. So this is what we have now, and this is what we just did with AI.
So form submissions are seamlessly carried over to WhatsApp with all entered details pre-filled for quick conversation. Do visit the website to get an idea of how it works.
Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.